Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set up flat rate shipping on your Shopify store. This is a straightforward way to manage your shipping costs. So let's get started. The first step is to log into your Shopify admin, and to do so, just go to your web browser here and type in shopify.com. Now after the website appears, click on the login here in the top right corner. If you haven't already logged in, you will be asked to enter your account credentials or even create an account. But if you have already logged in, just and you'll be automatically directed to your account. Now I'm just doing a verification procedure here. Now the second step is to go to the shipping settings. From the left sidebar, click on settings right here next to the gear icon, and then select shipping and delivery from the options here. You'll find them next to the car icon here, and select shipping settings. Now in the shipping section, find the shipping profile you want to edit and click on manage rate next to that profile, or just click on this one right here, and your rates will be displayed here. As you can see them here, yes, this is the one. After you select a rate you can manage here, you can click on edit rates, and you can, if you want to create a rate from the beginning here, you can click on add rate here and select the rate type here. You can use flat rate or use carrier or app to calculate. Here we're gonna use a flat rate here, and for the shipping rates, click it's already custom rate name, enter a custom rate name, rates, and you can add a custom delivery description. It's optional, it's not required. After that, you can add the price. You can add a conditional price in here based on the item weight or based on the order price here. You can set the minimum weight or the maximum weight, and the checkout preview, it will be free. Once you done modifying these options, click on done here. Now after modifying, don't forget to click on the save button in the bottom here. Click on save to keep your modifications. Finally, review your flat rate settings and click save to apply the changes here. And that's it. You've successfully set up flat rate shipping on your Shopify store. This simplifies your shopping process and helps your customers know what to expect. If you like this video and find it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.